lawyer. I'm just sitting here having coffee and working on my case files.
I don't care what you say you are. You've been here too long. Time to go.
Too long? I bought coffee 30 minutes ago. The staff hasn't said anything. Why are you asking me to leave?
Because I'm telling you to. Now get up and walk out or I'll remove you myself.
Touch me without a lawful reason and that's a civil rights violation.
Officer Daniel Vasquez had spent 11 years with the Philadelphia Police Department, but only 6 of those years were in Center City, patrolling commercial districts. He was known for what his supervisors called proactive enforcement of loitering policies, especially in upscale cafes and retail areas that catered to professionals. And on a Thursday morning at Rittenhouse Coffee House, his assumption that a black man working on a laptop did not belong in an expensive cafe would cost the city $3.9 million, and would destroy his law enforcement career forever. A black man in his late 30s, Christopher Banks, was simply sitting at a table by the window, legal files and his laptop spread out in front of him, half a latte sitting beside his keyboard. He wore a dress shirt and slacks, his suit jacket draped over the chair, getting ready for a court appearance later that afternoon. No disturbance, no complaints, no violations. Just an attorney doing what thousands of professionals do in cafes every single day. But Officer Vasquez saw him and made an immediate judgment rooted in bias. He believed that a black man sitting alone in a high-end cafe must be loitering, possibly homeless, and certainly not a paying customer who belonged there. That false assumption sparked a confrontation that would include a demand to leave, a physical attempt to remove Christopher in front of other customers, and a federal civil rights lawsuit that would expose how racial profiling targets black professionals even in ordinary public spaces. Before we continue, where are you watching from? And if this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Stories like this need to be told, and your support helps bring more truth to light. Rittenhouse Square, Philadelphia, an upscale neighborhood filled with historic brownstones facing a beautifully maintained park where professionals meet for lunch, and where cafes serve as unofficial offices for lawyers, consultants, and entrepreneurs. Rittenhouse Coffee House, located at 18th and Walnut, had floor-to-ceiling windows facing the square, exposed brick walls inside, and the smell of fresh roasted beans in the air. It was 10:45 on that Thursday morning. The cafe was moderately busy, some professionals in meetings, a few students with textbooks, a couple working remotely on laptops. The usual mix of customers you'd find in any downtown cafe. Christopher Banks had been a criminal defense attorney for 12 years representing clients in Philadelphia's courts, arguing motions, negotiating plea deals, and taking cases to trial. He had worked at a prestigious firm for 7 years before opening his own practice 5 years earlier. His client list included everyone from first-time offenders to executives facing white-collar charges. He had been recognized by the Philadelphia Bar Association, mentored younger attorneys, and built a reputation for thorough preparation and vigorous advocacy. That Thursday morning, he wasn't in court yet. He was scheduled at 2 p.m. for a pretrial hearing for a client facing assault charges.